Welcome to the Community College Internship and Science Undergraduate Laboratory Internship Application Tutorial Series. In this video, we will address requesting recommendation letters. You will need 3 people willing to write a recommendation letter for you, a regularly checked email for each recommender. You will submit contact information in the online system for your chosen recommenders. That contact information consists of a first name, last name, and a valid email address. Recommenders will then receive an email with instructions on completing your recommendation. It is vital that you provide a frequently checked email address for your recommenders. You must submit 2 recommendations. Request recommendations from 3 people in case one recommender is unable to complete your recommendation. A recommender should be familiar with your educational background, training, experience, and ability to successfully participate in the SULI or CCI program. Be sure to request references long before the application is due, and check the application system at least 3 weeks prior to the submission deadline to confirm you have 2 letters of recommendation. Contact your recommenders directly if you are missing a letter at this time. Select the tab marked Check your status within the SULI or CCI application system to confirm all submission criteria has been met. When your recommenders have sent in your letters of recommendation, there will be a green checkmark next to Recommendation Requests Completed, and you'll be able to submit your application to the internship program. If you have questions, please email us at sc.cci@science.doe.gov for CCI or sc.suli@science.doe.gov for SULI-related inquiries. For additional guidance, be sure to watch our other tutorial videos for application essays and submitting transcripts.